In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write ammonia or NH3 symbol in Google Docs. If you need to type the chemical formula for ammonia correctly in a document, the key is making the number 3 appear as a subscript. In chemistry, ammonia is written as NH3, not just plain NH3, so formatting it properly helps your document look more accurate and professional. To begin, open your Google Docs document and place your cursor where you want the formula to appear. Then type N, H, and 3. So it reads as NH3. At this stage, everything will still be on the same line and in the same size, which is normal. Next, highlight only the number 3. Be careful to select just that one character and not the letters N and H. This matters because you only want the 3 to move below the baseline as a subscript, while the letters stay in their normal position. Taking a second to make the right selection will help you avoid having to undo the formatting. Once the 3 is highlighted, go to the top menu in Google Docs and click Format. From there, move to Text and then choose Subscript. As soon as you click it, the selected number will shift downward and become smaller, which is the standard chemical formatting for ammonia. After applying Subscript, the formula will appear as NH3. That means you've successfully written the ammonia symbol correctly in Google Docs. This is a very simple formatting tool, but it's especially useful for chemistry formulas, scientific notes, lab reports, homework, or any document where proper notation is important. If the formatting doesn't look right, just check that you selected only the 3 before applying subscript. If needed, you can undo the action and try again. Also, once you know this method, you can use the same process for many other chemical formulas that require subscripts. So even though this example is ammonia, the formatting technique works in exactly the same way for similar formulas. And that's all it takes. Type NH3, highlight the 3, go to Format, then Text, then Subscript, and your formula will display correctly as NH3 in Google Docs.